Hi friends, welcome to PSR Studies. IBPS has released a notification of 9640 posts for RRBs. The full information about IBPS RRB is name of the post IBPS CRP RRB 9th edition. IBPS means Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. CRP means Common Recruitment Process. RRB is Regional Rural Banks. Post date 30/6/2020. Latest update 1/7/2020. Total vacancy is 9640. Brief information. Institute of Banking Personnel Selection has published notification for the recruitment of CRP RRB 9th Officer Scale 1, 2, 3 and Office Assistant vacancies. Those candidates who are interested in the vacancy details, completed all the eligibility criteria, can read the notification and apply online. Application fees. Others 850 rupees for SC, ST, PWD, ex-serviceman candidates 175 rupees. Payment mode is online. Important dates. Starting date for registration and payment of fees 1/7/2020. Last date for registration and payment of fees 21/7/2020. Last date for editing application details 21/7/2020. Last date for printing your application 5/8/2020. Date of download call letter of pre-exam training 12/8/2020. Date of conduct of pre-exam training 24 to 29/8/2020. Date of download of call letter for online preliminary examination August 2020. Date of preliminary exams September or October 2020. Date of declaration of preliminary exams result is October 2020. Date of download of call letter for online exam main or single October-November 2020. Date of main or single exam October-November 2020. Declaration of main exam results for officer scale 1, 2, 3 October or November 2020. Date of download of call letters for interview for officer scale 1, 2, 3 October or November 2020. Date of interview for officer scale 1, 2, 3 October or November 2020. Provisional allotment officer scale 1, 2, 3 and office assistants multipurpose January 2021. Age limits as on 1/6/2019. Minimum age for officer scale 2 and 3 is 21 years. Minimum age for officer scale 1 office assistant is 18 years. Maximum age for officer scale 3 is 40 years. Maximum age for officer scale 2 is 32 years. Maximum age for officer scale 1 is 30 years. Maximum age for office assistant 28 years. Age relaxation is admissible for SC, ST, OBC, PS, ex-serviceman candidates as per rules. Educational qualification and experience. First post office assistants, that is multipurpose, bachelor degrees any discipline from recognized university or its equivalent. Officer scale 1, bachelor degrees any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent. Officer scale 2, general banking officer, that is manager post, bachelor degrees in any disciplines from recognized university or its equivalent with a minimum 50% marks in aggregate. Experience is 2 years as an officer in bank or financial institution. Officer scale 2, that is specialist officers, information technology officers, bachelor degree from recognized university in electronics, communication, computer science, information technology or its equivalent with a minimum of 50 marks in aggregate. The experience is 1 year in the relevant field. Officer scale 2, that is specialist officer, chartered accounts certified associate from Institute of Chartered Accounts of India. Experience is 1 year as a chartered account. Officer scale 2, specialist officer, that is manager post, law officer, degree from recognized university in law. Experience is 2 years. An advocate or should have worked as a law officer in banks or financial institute for a period of not less than 2 years. Officer scale 2, experience is 1 year. Officer Scale 2 Specialist Officer, Marketing Officer, MBA in Marketing from recognized university, 1 year in relevant field experience needed. Officer Scale 2 Agriculture Officer, Bachelor's degree in Agriculture, experience is 2 years needed. Officer Scale 3 Bachelor degrees in any discipline from recognized university, experience is minimum 5 years experience as an officer in bank or financial institutions. Next, vacancy details, post of the name and qualification total. For office assistant, 4,624 vacancies there. Officer scale 1, that is assistant manager, 3,800 vacancies are there. Officer scale 2, general banking officer manager, 838 vacancies are there. Officer scale 2, that is information technology officer, 51 vacancies are there. These 4 vacancies qualification is bachelor degree. Next one, officer scale 2, that is chartered account, qualification is CA. Officer scale 2 law officer, qualification is degree in law, 26 vacancies are there. Officer scale 2 treasury manager, CA or MBA qualification, only 3 are there. Officer scale 2 marketing officer, 8 vacancies are there, qualification is MBA. Officer scale 2 agriculture officer, total vacancies are 100, bachelor degree is the qualification. Officer scale 3, 156 vacancies are there, qualification is bachelor degree. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel.